My name is Shannon Valdez. I am originally from Denver, Colorado, but I've lived in San Diego for about 10 years. And I am a communication strategist for a global Fortune 500 tech company. I was in a traumatic accident when I was 22 years old. Basically, I was standing on a sidewalk and a guy on a bicycle hit me and I went flying, chipped my front tooth really badly, along with some other injuries. And for about 10 years, I was just getting it bonded every couple of years, which was a good temporary solution, but I was definitely looking for something a little bit more long-term. So Dr. Gable suggested that I get veneers on my 4 front teeth. The bonding worked really well, but I noticed that after a year or two, it would start to get a little bit discolored, which really bothered me. And then just the inconvenience, the pain of having to go in and get the bonding redone every couple of years was something that I did not really enjoy having to do. Veneers always kind of scared me because it is so permanent, and I've seen people with really bad veneers done where it looks really fake, and I was really concerned that that's how it would turn out, and I had just never really found a dentist who I was comfortable having that procedure with until I met Dr. Gable. Getting veneers definitely boosted my confidence, just knowing that my smile is always going to be perfect, not something I have to worry about, don't have to worry about the discoloration from the bonding, and it definitely just made me feel more confident in myself. I don't think I really doubted the decision. I was definitely a little bit fearful leading up to it, just with all of the unknowns and all the different steps in the process. But once I went through it, it was actually really easy, and Dr. Gable made me feel really comfortable, and everyone in her office, and it actually went a lot more smoothly than I anticipated. I would say finances is probably the biggest hurdle. It is a significant investment, but the thing that I really liked about it is something that's very long lasting. These teeth are probably going to last me the rest of my life. So even though it is a bigger investment up front, just knowing that I'm not gonna have to go back and get it redone every couple years definitely brought me a lot of peace. The main thing that really influenced me to work with Dr. Gable is I just really like her energy, and I like what she's all about with empowering women and that sort of thing. When you walk into the office, it doesn't feel like a normal dentist office. It's not so sterile and kind of scary. It's very comforting, very warm, and that's one of the reasons why I really wanted to get this done with Dr. Gable.